In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Blogger. Changing your theme is one of the quickest ways to give your blog a fresh look, improve readability, and make your content feel more professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can confidently switch to a new theme without feeling overwhelmed. First, make sure you're signed into your Blogger account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Blogger home dashboard. This is the main control center for your blog, where you can see all your posts, pages, and settings. If you manage more than one blog, check that the correct blog is selected at the top of the page before you move on. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a vertical menu. This menu includes options like posts, pages, layout, and settings. Look for the option labeled Theme. This is where all the visual styling for your blog is controlled. Click on Theme to open the theme management page. After the theme page loads, you'll see a preview of your current theme at the top. This shows how your blog looks right now to your visitors. Scroll down just a little, and underneath that current preview, you'll find a selection of other themes that Blogger provides. These are grouped into categories, and each one will have a small thumbnail preview to give you a sense of its style. Take a moment to browse through these themes. You can click on a theme thumbnail to open a larger preview. This lets you see how your blog's content would look with that design, including fonts, colors, and layout. It's a good idea to choose a theme that matches your content and feels easy to read, especially on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you've found a theme you like, click on it so that its preview appears. In that preview window, you'll see an option to apply the theme to your blog. When you're ready, click on Apply. Blogger will process the change for a few seconds, and then your new theme will be set as the live design for your blog. After applying, open your blog in a new tab to double-check how everything looks. Your posts, pages, and navigation should all be there, just with a fresh new style. If you're not happy with it, you can always return to the theme section and select a different one until you find the perfect fit.